Structural engineers and detailers can work more productively and accurately with BIM workflows that help automate and connect concrete design and detailing to fabrication. Revit has a robust set of tools for modeling 3D concrete reinforcements, creating shop drawings, and generating schedules in the advanced BIM environment. Revit lets you design and detail reinforced concrete elements and to prevent clashes from occurring in the pre-construction and site execution project phases. Modeling tools in Revit let detailers define the accurate reinforcement for standard and non-standard shapes of building and infrastructure concrete structures. For example, with the rebar constraints defined, reinforcement designs update properly and accurately when concrete host elements change their dimensions and geometries. Every rebar shape with unique geometrical parameters has its own automatically assigned identification number that can be used for multiple purposes. A multi-rebar annotation in Revit lets you tag multiple rebar and rebar sets with a single annotation. You can use these multi-rebar annotations to tag each bar in a rebar set with a detailed annotation for fabrication and construction. Thanks to this functionality, drawing creation becomes quite smooth and productivity increases. Revit lets you create accurate rebar bending schedules that include all required information and rebar shape code images. In Revit, every 2D and 3D view, drawing sheet, detail, and schedule is a direct presentation of information from the same underlying building database. So every time you make a change, those changes are automatically reflected in all related planes, sections, elevations, or schedules, which helps to eliminate coordination errors and improve overall documentation quality. Use of prefabrication can reduce project schedules, increase productivity, and on-site safety. The free structural precast extension for Revit supports multiple stages of the precast workflow. Structural engineers, detailers, and fabricators can use this solution for planar structural concrete elements of buildings such as solid walls, solid slabs, hollow core, and lattice girder slabs. The precast extension offers advanced tools that automate the process of generating precast assemblies, shop drawings, and files for computer-aided manufacturing CAM machines. You can perform segmentation for slabs and walls according to customized, predefined rules. The software settings include part information, segmentation rules, reinforcement definition, project drawing defaults for walls and slabs, as well as settings for annotation and dimensioning of parts. Once walls and floors are split according to your rules, the mounting parts, lifters, bushings, anchor plates, and connections are created. These details are easily configurable and customizable as the solution is based on Revit families. Once the elements have been split into precast assemblies, engineers and detailers can add reinforcements based on predefined, preconfigured reinforcement design styles. Once final assemblies are modeled, you can automatically create a shop drawing. The shop drawing templates are fully customizable. The software also automatically generates CAM files, PXML and Unitex standards for workshop machines, allowing for direct data transfer from the 3D design model to fabrication. The structural precast extension for Revit offers a more streamlined and model-based fabrication process that helps both fabricators and precast detailers reduce the time spent on modeling, generating shop drawings, and producing precast planar elements. Revit lets structural designers and engineers provide accurate design intent models and gives engineers and detailers the ability to develop models to a higher level of fidelity for fabrication and installation purposes.